Hi, I am Priya Shah. I have secured All India Rank 16 in JEE Advanced 2016. I am currently studying Computer Science and Engineering in IIT Bombay.
Priya came to us at the right time. His journey began with us in class 7th.
प्रिया जब 7वीं कक्षा में था तब पहली बार फिजी में आए।
Initially, I joined FIITJEE 7th standard with the purpose of targeting NTSE and other Olympiads. However, my actual foundation was laid in 9th standard when the faculty here introduced me to JEE and other Olympiads, and I was enthusiastic to prepare for them.
We keep innovating our ways of teaching, and Priya was always ready for the challenge.
I have always been inquisitive and I wanted to explore nature and its mysteries. So, taking science seemed a natural option. JEE provided a formal way to do that.
We observed his speed and temperament was his strength. But to get results, it required more, so we worked accordingly.
फिजी की फैकल्टी सर टीचरों ने जेई एडवांस ओलंपियाड वगैरह क्या है उसके लिए पूरी जानकारी दी।
There have been many challenges in way of JEE preparation. There is tremendous social and peer pressure to perform well. So it is important not to give into those pressures. Another challenge is getting bored during revision. So it is important to keep on reading new books and updating yourselves so that you don't get bored and perform better. According to me, the most important thing is setting up a goal. Set up a goal and work towards it. Do whatever it takes, use all the available resources, but work towards the goal and complete it. Another important thing is love for the subject. If you love the subject, enjoy it, everything else falls into place. In spite of all this, there may always be phases where you may not be able to perform your best, get bored, or maybe not feel good. But it is important not to give up during this period and come back stronger and harder.
We worked on stress management, time management, accuracy, and lot more.
For my IIT JEE preparation, FIITJEE faculty has been a real source of inspiration and motivation. They have provided me with whatever was required and helped me improve my concept. They have cleared my doubts at any time and proactively mentored me. I am really thankful to them.
With our right planning and dedication of Priya, we were able to complete the portion way in advance, which gave him ample amount of time to work on his weaknesses.
ये उम्र में बच्चे डिमोटिवेट भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमने जैसे उसके पीछे हिम्मत दी है, सभी माता पिता को अपने बच्चों के प्रति मेहनत करनी चाहिए और उन्हें प्रोत्साहित करना चाहिए। उसकी सफलता के पीछे की मदर गिराशा की भी काफ़ी वर्क कंसिस्टेंसी है।
My parents have been a constant source of support and motivation. Even when I have not performed at my best, they have encouraged me. My parents are like a pillar of support by my side throughout the journey. I am really grateful to them.
We are very proud of our son Priya Shah.
We are proud of Priya.
We are proud of Priya.
Thanks to all my gurus and the systems at FIITJEE.